absolutely has to fly. Why must they fly? Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky. I try, they're not up there in the sky. Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard? Flightless bird, wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things wanna ride. Well, have you heard? Flightless bird, quite intent, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up or down. Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, blue. An old kid for my little blue. Penguins, swallows are frozen for flying. They've not been chosen. Ostriches are fast as lightning, and they fly through us to fright. See the emu, Phonocelia, and the great receiving kiwi. Some birds were born to fly, but I just gotta be me. We won't hide, we won't frown. We'll be right here all throughout. Gravity, we won't defy. We'll never fly, won't even try. Have you heard? Flightless bird, wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things went awry. Well, have you heard? Flightless bird, quite intent, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down. Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, blue. So what if we can't fly? Neither can you.